The Figure-8 flight is a mandatory core subject for the CAAC drone operator exam, and it requires routine practice to master. When setting up an EFT drone and its GCS for the first time, or when moving to a new training field, you must complete the Figure-8 flight path planning in the ground station. First, launch the EFT GCS. Connect the radio telemetry link to your computer and power on the drone. Confirm that the drone is successfully connected to the GCS. Step 1. Create a new field. Measure a 24-meter distance at your training site and place traffic cones at both ends to serve as points A and B for the Figure-8 path. Click Figure-8 Flight at the top of the main interface. Then go to the right panel and select Field List, the new field. For maximum accuracy, we recommend manually carrying the drone to mark points A and B. Alternatively, you can fly the drone directly above cones A and B to set the waypoints. Once calibrated, the GCS will automatically generate the full Figure-8 layout and calculate the positions for the remaining cones. Following the GCS display, fly the drone to each designated spot and place the corresponding cones to finish setting up the field. Click Save Calibration, and the setup will be saved to your field list. You can also import or export saved field profiles from the list anytime. Step 2. Parameter Setup. Once the field setup is complete, click Exam Preferences on the right panel to customize the exam type, flight mode, test subjects, and your rotation order based on your training needs. Trainees can isolate and repeat specific maneuvers, such as the 360-yaw rotation or the Figure-8 circuit. Once confident, you can switch to full exam simulation mode. Click Standard Settings to adjust specific parameters for both the 360 rotation and the Figure-8 flight. Once configured, you're ready to start. Click the Start. Follow the voice prompts to fly the drone into the simulated test zone to begin.
1分钟自选考试开始。
The system will provide voice notifications as you pass each subject.
自选考试通过。考试已通过。
If the heading angle or horizontal position strays beyond your set tolerance limits, the system will automatically register a fail and broadcast an alert,
考试失败，偏离8字中心线过远。
requiring you to restart the mock exam. After completing a session, you can view your flight logs in the GSC. Click Play to review your exact flight trajectory. By practicing repeatedly in the GCS, trainees can build solid muscle memory and master the Figure-8 flight to pass the practical exam with ease.